Look at me. About to show you how to retwist dreads. That's a clip right there. That's a lock and grow gel. Free promo. Jamaican mango and lime. Now you get the back dread. I twist at the root because you see I got a lot of hair on the back of my neck right now since I ain't got it tapered yet. But I twist at the root, then I palm roll. So I put it at the root just a little bit, then I clip it. Then I go right from left. So I get the next one right to the left. Palm roll, clip. See what I'm saying? Going from right to the left. And now I just go up a level. Right to left. Make it easy. And you see I got it in the bun to keep the hair out the way. Palm roll and clip. I don't use a different clip for each dread because it take too long. You can clip probably about 3 or 4 dreads in the same clip and it goes a lot faster. Yeah, my bad. You ain't really get to see the left side of my head, but I'm retwisting and clipping. Easy process. Go from the right to the left. I kind of twist at the root a little bit, put a little gel on it, palm roll, clip. Now I'm at the top. I skipped a little bit. Same thing. You don't need to see it. But you see right now, it's a little bit of stuff in the hair still. When you dry it dries clear. Or maybe a little bit of white tint, but you can't really see it. So you get the dread, you twist, palm roll, and then clip. It's an easy process. You save a lot of money knowing how to do your own dreads. Maybe you get charged $60 to $70 to get your hair done each month. You saving it by doing everything yourself. Just twist, palm roll, and clip. Now I'm getting towards the front. I'm almost done. It probably takes me about an hour and a half to retwist my own hair. It's not really a hard process, just a kind of long process doing it by yourself. Sometimes I go to the hairdresser, sometimes I do it myself. I love just being in my own element, being able to do what I want to do, then just do my hair at my own house. Yeah, I'm almost done. It always feels good getting closer to the end because once you get it retwisted, you like a whole new person. You gotta pull it tight and then twist, palm roll, clip. That easy. Make sure you pull it tight so it's not loose when you retwist it. You want them all to be tight in the clip so they stay in place, so they dry in place and they dry fresh. You can see the scalp. Yeah, I had to pull it a little tighter. 2 more. I got a lot of dread. They small, but they strong. And after this, I'm gonna show you how to braid them up yourself also. So retwist and get a style all by yourself, but stay under the dryer for at least 2 hours. You don't want your hair to be moist and getting dried by the air because it starts smelling. But you see I got the back of my neck tapered, so it look a lot better. And now that's how I look when it's dried. I haven't really taped up my face or nothing like that. And now I'm about to start showing you how to braid your hair. See, I use 6 dreads, 2, 2, and 2. And then I just start braiding it. Start from the right to the left. And it's an easy process. You can do all this yourself. People always give me compliments about my hair, asking who I go to, and I tell them I do it myself. Because you need to know how to do everything yourself anyways. So at the end, I get a little black rubber band. Put it on the tip so they don't unravel. That's it. Right to left. braid it up. I did a couple on. See the size, you should do the size first so you don't mess up the numbers. Cause usually I use 6 dreads each braid, but sometimes you gotta use 5, sometimes you gotta use 7. Just depends on how it look, because you want them to look symmetrical. So you see me finding dreads, I can do it without even looking. You know how I'm supposed to look in there. So it's dread, braiding it. Use a rubber band to put it on the tip, and that's it. Your arms get a little tired doing it, but the payoff is so well at the end. You did all this for no money, and it looked just as good as going to a hairdresser. As long as you get the experience of doing it. I've been had my dreads for over 10 years, since 2009. So I got a lot of experience. I trimmed my dreads before this video. I trimmed 5 inches off, but I had trimmed them 5 times. Because I don't like them too long, because they start getting aggravating. And you see with the rubber band, I'm almost done. I'm at the front. You still pull so you can get all the dreads braided. It's not a hard process. You just gotta do it. Now look at me. I'm feeling myself now. Dreads fresh. Face looking good. Now I gotta take myself up. When I take myself up, now I'm really good. You can check me out at Fine Ass Twin on Twitter. It's gonna be on YouTube. I don't even know what the name of YouTube gonna be yet. But check me out at Fine Ass Twin on Twitter. I can show you how to get your hair right. I'm gonna have other videos of styling my hair. Look at me.